Welcome back to the Double Diamond Railroad. Another session, part 2, and we get to run our new consist now. We got to go west and pick up the string of empties that came out of JJP last night and bring them back here to get loaded up. Like I said, we get to run a new consist. And hopefully the track work we did today took out that switch. There's one more to come out. Want to wait till I get to new ones. And then there's our inlaid piece of track that we did. Got it painted, got the rail ties in there. Let's go get our loads, or empties, I should say. There's our BNSF with sound scale trains. He's been running pretty good. Gets in out here just fine. Those are number 6. Could be an 8 right there. We got 6s and 8s mixed in. Let's loosen up that head a bit. Kind of tight today. A little more damp. Oh, what do you run into? Got a dead short, I hear it. Stand by. Okay, we'll try that again. It wasn't a BNSF. Somehow the lead loco trucks got off somewhere. I've already moved around in and out. Who knows what he did? Let's try it again. And what his problem was, or where it came off before that spot point, whatever. There we got the other engine sound back. Oh, there it goes again. Got a short again. I didn't have this. I ran this thing last night. Yesterday, it was fine. Didn't have any trouble. Stand by. Okay, take 3. Don't see anything. Ran through their camera off, ran out, ran back, no problem. Figures. You heard something pop right there. That was back of the back. Well, that's cool. I didn't know it did that. I got 2 functions sound on number 7. The air blast and then the wheel flange squeal. If you hit it once, you only got air. If you hit it again, you get both. So that's something new. Didn't know it worked that way. I got them stacked. That's how it works. Okay, I lost you on the camera. And the controller's going wild now. All kinds of stuff. Okay, got to throw a switch out here, tone it. Okay, here we go. Head down the main line. See if we can speed up here a little bit. Get some mainline traffic. Yeah, that works. I canceled the 7, then hit it again, only got air. So you don't get the flange thing. Go past our destruction. It's gonna be better in there. Smoother. Bring the big engines in. Let's go there and see him. Okay, now we're lined to go in the yard lead. Slow down. We'll head down that way. We're going to stop out here so we can catch up to him. Okay, everything's lined. We're clear to come on in. That's the headlight. Ditch lights off. Going in the yard. Guess I bumped the headlight. There's our train up here. We'll never get that hooked on the corner. Right through the trees. Let's stop short. That'll do. Right there. Okay, conductor on the ground. Let's get coupled up here. Okay, we're having shutdown, engine shut down on me. Front one, then now the BNSF. Let's restart them. You get out of sync. Everything's both started up now. Sounds like it. Okay, let's head back with our empty train. Look good going over the bridge. This would be good. Tank cars at that end. We'll back in, be able to put the tanks right at the loading tanks over there. Corn syrup. Approaching the crossing. Got a wreck right there. Same old Sioux Line car dumped off. Wouldn't you know it? This thing's doing everything on camera today that I had no problem with yesterday making test runs. Crazy. Can't even see the car. It fell down behind the tank. Okay, let's get Corman out there with a crane. Stand by. Okay, we got him fixed up. Let's go ahead and proceed. Only on camera it does that kind of stuff. Now we got to start out here dead and stop right in front of the crossing. Now you can see the rest of the train. It was supposed to come through. Dropped right on that Sioux Line. Flipped him over, caught on something. This coupler's real stiff on the back. I'd be changing more trucks with couplers. Seemed like the ones that were black aren't as good as the ones I had that were brown. Okay, we're going to move down there. Slow this down so I can catch up. Got ahead of me a little bit. Going through the new track. It's been working pretty good. Find out. Oh, we'll find out. There he goes. Uncoupled. Emergency stop. Again, things that never happened yesterday are happening today. Totally different environment. Real humid down here. Warmer. Who knows? Let's get him coupled up. Don't know what that's about. Front truck of the tank car derailed before he even got there. To that new track. I don't know if the old switch did it or what. Try again. Oh, came off again, right on the switch. Why? It's thrown the right way. What's your problem? Let me check it. Okay, it looks like, because that's a new stiff coupler on there, scale trains, it looks like it's swinging way over too close to us, and it's pulling the tank car off. Maybe the tank car needs more weight. Try again. Keep going. Just got to keep moving. That's what it is, that coupler swinging way over on the engine. And it's really stiff. Tripod's still stiff. Loosen it up some more. And heater, come on, I'm about sweating down here. Totally different than yesterday. I've got eBay offer popping up, blocking me. Trying to speed him up here. Running out of headroom. Got that extra engine on. Got a train sitting here waiting. Okay, we're gonna make it. That's good, that'll do. Right there. Okay, tone that switch. We'll get the conductor on the ground, walk back in with the train. Or he's gonna ride the back car for now. Okay, let's shove him on back. One of my favorite scenes over there, that rock wall, retainer wall. Let's get over here and see if we can make it in without wrecking. Going through the crossover. Got an engine separation up there, number 1 and 2. Always something. Suit line going through the crossover. I got a Pizza Hut ad. Drive me crazy. Yeah, it's 10 after 4. They always hit the top of the hour, top and bottom of the hour. Let's see, are we going the right way? No, we got to stop here and think about this. Yeah, I think we'll take it that way. For now. Got to split this train up back here so we can get the tank cars where they need to be. So I got to do both tracks, spread of cars. As soon as we get up there on the street, I'm going to couple the front engine back. He seems like he's slow today. That could have been some of the problem getting shoved by the ones behind him. Very close. Very close. I think we're going to, right there we couple. Now we're going to come on back. Shove those on back to the Arctic cars. Here we go. They got room to give. They got a full car length to go. It's a lot to monitor right now. Almost there. And that'll do, because I can't, got a bumper. So now, yeah, I think it's going to work. We will cut the Sioux line between the Sioux and the CSX. And then we can pull out, go forward, back in, get the tank spotted right where they need to be. Should work out. Stand by. Okay, we're good. We stretched him and uncoupled. Fairly easy. Try to use less bell. They know we're in here now. When they do, we start to move. And that'll do. Jumps off the car, he's on the ground. Gonna throw that switch. That's a twisty, windy transition from a crossover into that lead for Diamond Foods. Big cars are doing pretty good. So the little ones got to watch some of those eBay buys. That's all we got. So we got one tank right by the tanks. The other one they can reach with hoses. It'll work. We're not clear of main 2, but that's okay. We're not running anything. Coal train's held up over there. So I think we're good. I got a tornado watch down south somewhere. I've been watching Tennessee for all my folks down there. You can't see a thing on radar from what's already going by over Ohio. But they keep claiming at 5 and 6 p.m. there's going to be something explode. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We got the job done. Everything's brought over for loading up all those cars again. They're all empties. Working on the Arctic cars. They'll work on the tanks next. Then we'll have to swap them all around, get the other box cars over on a plant track. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless. Have a great week. Double Diamond Railroad out.